welcome to this channel. This is Jules. You're welcome here. Please feel free to like and subscribe. Today I'm going to show you what I get to eat in some few days of my life. So today is Monday. After work I'm having this called sugarcane juice and some smocha chapati smocha. You will see later. Yeah, this was so good, so yummy, natural, the flavors. It was a mixture of beetroot, sugarcane, and just that beetroot, sugarcane, and ginger. It was so good, and I really enjoyed this. It was a 10 over 10, and I'll come back for more. This is smoky wrapped in chapati, and oh my god, it was so flavorful. It's a common snack here in Kenya, and people take it very often, and you should take it. I mean, you should test it. It tastes so yummy and flavorful. It had some pili pili and kachumbari to at least increase and add more flavor, and I enjoyed this meal. This with the juice, oh my god, heaven. This is later in the evening, and for real, me and shawarma, we are here. Yani, I can't miss. Today is a good day. My colleagues and I decided to visit a certain hotel that makes this Swahili food, and we went for pilau. Look at this pilau. It's really yummy. It looks good, and we endeavored in immediately. Yeah, but oh, the flies could not leave us alone to enjoy our meal. We had to deal with them, but this did not stop us from enjoying this meal fully. I know if you are turned off by flies, then this is not for you here. But me here, we tried to deal with them, but oh my god, with this rain, the flies could not go away. So we just had to enjoy our meal. Yeah, this were with them, but it was a 10 over 10. It was so good, pilau, and we had some mirinda soda. Yeah, it was good. We enjoyed every bit of this meal. This is the next day. For lunch, I visited this decent cave hotel, and I decided to have the same old pilau. I really love pilau, but funny enough, this one looks some type of way, but this one was more delicious than the one we had yesterday. Yeah, look at this. This rice was very good. It was pishori rice, and once you cook pilau with pishori rice, 10 over 10. Today I'm doing this home cooked meal. Yeah, this is Indomie. Look at this magic that I've done. This is just blended mango juice, and this is just pasta, Indomie pasta, and on the sides is just some freshly cut banana pieces. Yeah, and this is chili. Yeah, you know how it slaps with pili pili on top, and oh my god, I've never tasted this good Indomie ever in my life. I mean, this was so good. I wish you all had a taste of this delicacy. I'm sure most of you do not like Indomie, but please try. Please try. And Indomie, please look at me. I'm a really lover of Indomie. Yeah, this is so good. Yeah, it was so good. It slapped for real. Sure. I really enjoyed this meal very much, and I'll make this again. I want to bid you all goodbye. Thank you for clicking onto this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video if you liked this video. Yeah, see you on the next one, and I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe and bye. Love you so.